I'm Paul with Modern Driveline. Here in front of me is Sarge. Sarge is a tribute build completed by Rebuilding Generations. Modern Driveline has an involvement in Rebuilding Generations, which is a community outreach program to help keep our youth involved in the automotive community. Sarge has a lot of power under the hood. We're looking at a Coyote motor stuffed under here with 500 plus horsepower coupled to a Tremec Magnum 6-speed transmission. All of that gets the power to the ground. Rebuilding Generations took this vehicle and debuted it at SEMA, and it was part of the Optima Challenge. So it's gone through some rigors to test out all of the equipment. This vehicle was a sponsored build. It has lots of major contributors. See the full story on motortrend.com. So why is it back to us? Modern Driveline's involvement in supplying the transmission, the knowledge, and all of the related components thereof. Now it's back here so that we can freshen it up. So we've done just that. We've taken out the transmission, we've adjusted the clutch, done some internal modifications and shimming, and now we're ready to send it back to Rebuilding Generations for the future.